On top inside Edo today. Edo State House of Assembly don't do check on top the flood retention and ecological challenges for Benin Saple Wari Road. Speaker of Edo State House of Assembly, Right Honorable Marcos Onobun, don't talk say the Assembly go support the working relationship wey dem get with federal ministries and agencies for the state to make sure say dem settle the flood and other environmental katakata wey dey shele for parts of the state. Him talk this one when him and members of Assembly go check how to take control flood wey dey shele for the Benin Wari Saple Road and other areas and start work sharply on top them.
I'm the director of flood erosion control because the one in the legislative quarter we have areas where we have detention pond, like two inside the legislative quarter. We decided Boundary Road, EDHA Road. We do not have this. You don't have this one. But no, it's not. You know, it's not even.
It's not in your record.
Yes, sir.
Please
so
capture it.
I've captured it.
It's very crucial. You can see it will save this whole area. You also need to.
Honorable Marcos come talk say if they hope for Ogbonge solution, we go settle the areas wey don block where flood suppose waka pass. Honorable Marcos come vex say the officials of the Ministry of Physical Planning and Urban Development no show face to come yarn whether the buildings wey dey block where the flood suppose waka pass for Saple Road dey approved by the government.
Clean it up. Infrastructure and physical planning. Secretary, you work with them in that regard. First, let physical planning confirm the area of land that is supposed to take the where there's right of way. Okay. Then I think possibly
the environment supposed to
environmental
deceit all this place.
Exactly.
State Controller for Federal Ministry of Works, Engineer Razak Aranshola, come hail the House Committee for their intervention and the chairman of Ikpobaoka local government, Honorable Eric Osayende, we don't finish plan to buy land for ROCC Junction for Saple Road to take control flood.
There's a drain, covered that is coming from the center of the median, carrying water from the other side of the road to the covered here, and the water goes down to the retention pond. At this point, it has been blocked. As a result of that, that's why we have this bad spot here. But after the intervention of the house, inviting me to the house, after I spoke with them, they called the attention of the council chairman here, who has intervened to make a provision for a property to be used as a retention pond down the line.
What's going to happen to the cover?
Yes, the extension pond, it has been filled.
It was compromised. Now
it has been filled.
Going forward, it means that the channel
will be opened.
All through to the
retention pond.
Is anybody disturbing you from doing that?
No. That's why you see the FEMA has already commenced work.
Okay.
To enable the water from the median go straight to the retention pond. The chairman gave an ultimatum of 7 days to the people.
To make sure here is clear.
To make sure the
who is going to clear this place?
FEMA is going to clear it.
All right.
This one na the Ogbonge informate wey we carry come give una on top inside Edo today. As Edo State House of Assembly don't do check on top the flood retention and ecological challenges for Benin Saple Wari Road. Make una sabi say na TMC TV na e carry this Ogbonge informate come give una. My name na Ebo Sereme Inaholu from Benin.